I love this kind of night where it's just starting to turn, and it looks beautiful out there.
Yeah, sunset.
Yeah.
Awesome out there. And summery, almost.
Yeah, odd.
Dew points are up in the mid-60s, some upper 60s. That's summertime humidity that's out there. It's about 74% right now. That will change, but it's not really going to change until we get into Thursday midday. So expect more of that mugginess all the way through the next couple of days. Look at the numbers. I mean, these are the current air temperatures. We were even warmer than this for highs. The average high this time of year is 72 degrees. It's already 74 at Tampa. Now it's coming down. 79 in Lakeland, 75 in Clearwater. Sarasota's at 73 and Bradenton's at 76 degrees. Now, we had a couple showers. We were watching for these east of I-75. They're all out of here now. They're exiting out over towards the East Coast. My attention now is being drawn to this little bulge you're seeing right here. It's a little complex of thunderstorms. That type of thing is what can actually dive southeastward and hold together. And that's what the models have been suggesting will happen. Now, that timing would be closer to about 11:30, midnight as it gets here along the Nature Coast, and then eventually slide southward through about 3 a.m. But you can see it sitting right in there. This is from earlier. And I wanted to draw you back here. Look at the tornadoes reports from out of New Orleans. This one here, 20 injuries, 60 homes, all kinds of damage all in this area, especially east of New Orleans. Go to my Facebook page, Bobby Deskin's Weather, and I've got a great link on there from our sister station. They are actually broadcasting live right now. They've got drones out there that are hovering out over some of the damage areas. It's incredible. Some big-time tornadoes went through there. Now, the severe weather threat is there, and just to the east into the Panhandle. After that, the dynamics in the atmosphere, especially up above, aren't as severe. And so that means that, yeah, we could get a good thunderstorm or two overnight tonight, but it would be one or two, and the main threat would be gusty winds, and that's especially north of I-4. So Tarpon Springs, Newport Richey, Hudson, Inverness, up to Crystal River as well, too. And I think Crystal River, really, Inverness, those are one of the best areas that we could see a thunderstorm. Now, we're all going to stay on the breezy side. It's been breezy along the coast, 10 to 15 inland, but 15 to 20 along the coast. There's a gust last hour, 23 miles per hour in St. Petersburg. All right, let me step you through the forecast model here because there's a lot going on tonight. We're going to end up looking at temperatures falling down through the 70s, showers and thunderstorms from about midnight through about 3 a.m., then things will fall apart. And as they come through, the energy in the atmosphere is falling apart as well, too. So I don't expect it's a big deal, but we'll be here in the Weather Center tracking it for you just in case. Temperatures in the morning in the upper 60s. Main threat from this, I think, is going to be some gusty winds. It's not going to be a big deal, but winds 45 to 60 miles per hour. Isolated, but it's a chance. I want to keep that in there. Now, tomorrow, we're going to actually watch out for a little bit of fog. We'll start with some showers in the morning, one or two, not much. But as the day wears on, we'll see a few more, and coastal areas certainly watch for fog. Here's that model. So that is after that. You see that line coming out, 30 minutes after that. You see that line coming through? It broke apart. Previous model runs had a more solid line. That's what I'm watching for. By the time we get towards the morning commute, 5, 6, 7 in the morning, things are looking pretty good. Now, that is fog. And some of that will be sea fog, and I think tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday night, we're going to get a lot of fog over the area. See it blowing in right there? Showers, a few of them overnight Wednesday night into Thursday, and then finally, the front will come through midday on Thursday. And in fact, the morning on Thursday starts off with clouds, some fog, and some rain. The afternoon ends up clearing with lots of sunshine, and then here comes the cooler air. At least a quick taste of it. Not much, but a real quick taste of it will get in here for Friday. As a matter of fact, it'll just knock our temperatures back down to near average for a day. So there's a day of winter weather for you there on Friday. And then southerly winds take over Saturday and Sunday. We're warm and not quite as muggy, but you'll notice a little bit of a rebound.
First